Hello everyone, Larry Leverantich for Ichimoku.co and ForexTrading.tv with a daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for the trading day ending Monday, January 27th, 2014. Well, a change of trend today. A candle that's made a lower high and a lower low following an indecisive spinning top type candle, and that was following a very strongly bullish candle, a white body candle, a large body to this candle where the buyers took control of the market after trading in an indecisive manner down below the Ichimoku cloud. We didn't see any decent follow through with that spinning top type candle that followed that bullish candle, and we like to see some strong follow through. The sellers took control of the market with that candle and were rejected from above the Kijun-sen, which acted as resistance, and it did for the candle prior to that. And then for today's trading, we've seen the Kijun-sen acting as resistance as well. That's around the 136.99 level. Just above there, the 137.11 level, previous support and resistance has come into play again. And for the second consecutive trading day today, the market has been rejected from either at or above that level, with the sellers coming back into the market today, even changing the trend to the downside. Now, by the same token, we have a shadow on the bottom of this candle as well, with the buyers losing commitment down around the top of the cloud. So a very indecisive trading day today, even more indecisive than the previous day's trading. So at the end of that very strong white body candle, we saw indecision into the market, but almost a doji type candle for today's trading, and suggesting that even though the trend has changed to the downside, all is not well with this market. So a lot of indecision in this market. And if we look at the breakout down below, a bearish breakout down below the cloud here previously, we saw this indecisive candle, this indecisive trading, then the breakout above and indecisive trading. So a market that's really attempting to make its mind up. We're not seeing any strong follow through following these breakouts above or below the Ichimoku cloud, and we have the market oscillating around a long-term bias from bearish to bullish. But what we want to see is follow through after we see this bullish or bearish indication. In terms of the Fibonacci projection, here we see now that the market's in a first time frame downtrend, we've seen the market testing below the 38.2% level in an indecisive manner. It does suggest that there is a possibility of a change of trend back to the upside. So we are looking for potentially a higher high and a higher low, but that will mean the market will have to trade through the important resistance that's around that 137 level, including the Tenkan-sen. If the market does continue trending down, the 50% level is roughly around the bottom of the cloud, and that will strengthen the amount of support down around there, around the 136.40, 136.43 area. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and we're looking at the retracement of this uptrend from around 135 up to 137.39, and here we see the market interacting with the 38.2% level, being rejected from there on this indecisive candle, suggesting a possibility of change of trend. But we do need to look at this in perspective. I don't know if we're going to get any reliable signals from this. With the close by resistance overhead, the buyers will need to come into this market strongly to change the trend to the upside. That is a possibility, but very solid resistance overhead and strong support below where the market's trading as well. So in terms of Ichimoku, we obviously have a bullish market in that long-term time frame by trading up above the cloud, but not a lot of confidence in that signal that we got because of the lack of follow-through, the indecisive trading, and the buyers not continuing with the short-term dynamics as the trend attempted to continue to the upside, and as in a similar way as we saw the breakout down below. So a lot of indecision in this market. We have the market trading below the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and that holding as resistance for this market. So a bearish market in the medium-term time frame, but still bullish in the fast term time frame by trading above the Tenkan-sen, the green line, and the Chikou span is within the corresponding price action. So that's really telling us that this is a very indecisive market, a market that can't make its mind up. And what we're going to be looking for is a breakout either above this 137 level, and perhaps if we do see bullish activity and a bullish close up above this level here and above this swing high now around 137.40, we could see the market testing up above 138, and we're either looking for that or for the market to trade back down through the cloud. But a lot of indecision in this market at the moment.